Hello everyone, welcome to another video. Thank you for clicking on it. And yes, we're out running again. Just finished work and it's about 17:30 and wow, still clear skies. It's a little bit more crispy, but it's nice to be running home, flooding the lungs full of oxygen and the mind full of peacefulness, and the legs getting them motoring again. So just thought I'd give you a little update where I've been, what I've been doing. Nothing too glamorous, nothing too fancy, but some activities which have been pretty fun and exciting. And the next few videos that are coming up, I've got some great content, so stay tuned for them. Hit the subscribe button if you're not subscribed already so you don't miss out on them. But first of all, let's go back to yesterday where I filmed a video just to talk a little bit about something. It's about me being sleep deprived and why I'm doing it. So this isn't going to be a regular occurrence because sleep is super important. It helps the body recover and perform the next day. But for this one, I recently had a 24-hour challenge which required me to stay awake for the entire 24 hours of that period. So I've actually now been awake for about 32 hours or something like that. So I'm a little bit tired, to be honest, because I'm one of these people who normally goes to bed at 10:30 regularly on the dot. So as you know, I've not been doing full training as I usually would like to do, but I come up with alternative ways to try and get the best out of my training. And in this case, obviously I'm training for a big long ultra, which is going to be 160 kilometers, and during that period I'm going to have to be up through the night doing exercise. So here in this circumstance, what I thought it would be a really great idea if I stay awake, well, for that adventure that I did, which is coming soon by the way, and straight after that go for a run to replicate being tired and having that build up of fatigue. Why else would I do this? Well, what I want to do is teach my mind and my body to do things when I don't really want to do them. So last Thursday I went to see a massage therapist. Not just any type of massage therapist, because I do that quite a lot anyway, but this guy's specialised in doing deep tissue massage. So the fascia is the stuff that holds all of the muscles and everything in place, if I get it correctly. Anyway, you can Google it, but it's like a layer of connective tissue that is over the top of your muscles. But for me, I went to see it because obviously I'm having some challenges with my left knee, which seem to be dissipating. But I went there for a massage because I heard good things, and he went into real deep massage. It was super painful. He also did a little bit of acupuncture, which was good as well. It makes a little bit of inflammation into that area, and as a result your body sends energy to there to fix it. So that's been really good. I don't use the word sorry that often because I think it's overused, especially where I'm from in Britain. We overuse the word sorry, so then it loses its meaning in a sense. So when I use it when I mean it. But please do excuse me not sharing these pieces of information, which I keep promising I'm going to let you know and never let you know, to let you know who my coach is, because that's pretty exciting for me, and I'm pretty sure you've all been wondering, is it the Queen? Is it Princess Leia? I'm just thinking of royalty names. Come on, off the top of your head, think of someone else. Paula Radcliffe? No. Although Princess Leia was a good shout, but I don't know which galaxy she's in at the moment. It was quite interesting to read your guesses, and some of you were kind of close, and some of you really not were. Come on, you need to put a better effort in, guys and girls. She is from the USA. She does a lot of ultra trail running and a lot of mountainous trail running. She's extremely qualified and capable in what she does, and she had some amazing results in 2019, well, and previously. This is one of the reasons why I really wanted to work with her. When you want to improve at something, it's always best to surround yourself with people that are achieving things that you want to do. So that translates into life. If you want to be happy and positive, you hang around with happy and positive people. I met her last year actually at a race, and that was one of the things that sparked me to sort of like think about her as a coach. I thought about getting a coach last year but never did. When I met her, her genuine friendliness and kind of the emotional contact or connection that we bonded just in a small conversation was super nice, and she took the time to talk, and those sort of things go a long way. It wasn't just about business. She was interested, she was engaged and connected. And we're not talking about a Wi-Fi connection. You've actually heard me talk about her on my channel before. So some of you now, you're rustling around in your bed thinking, what? Who is it? He talked about her before already. Yeah, Hillary Allen. Ring any bells? I'm sure it does with most of you who are in the ultra trail world. She's a phenomenal sky runner, mountain runner, ultra trail runner, and I'm really, really pleased to be working closely with her. And as I said, I have been working with her since the turn of the year 2020, and we've had a great connection. We're now just waiting to be able to get into some deeper training so we can get some more, so we can work towards my goals. And obviously I'll be sure to share a lot on this channel, and if you've got any questions for me, you can always leave them down below, and I always do my best to get back to each and every one of you. If you want to know more about Hillary, she's actually just launched a website, so you can go and check that out. Links down below, hillaryallen.com. And she's actually also just written a book, because as I did mention her on my channel before, because she had quite a life-changing accident when she was doing a mountain race in Norway. She fell 150 feet or 50 meters down a mountain, and wow, the story was amazing. I'll link that as well. It's a video from the North Face. She's a North Face athlete, and you can still watch that. But also she's on Strava, so if you want to see what ultra trail athletes getting up to, go over to her Strava profile, give her a follow, and when you do follow her, just comment on one of her Strava activities Mark sent me here, just to share a little bit of a love. Yeah, and if you're not already following me on Strava, you can. The link's down below. All my training goes on there, so you can see what I'm up to on a daily basis. Right, I'm gonna call the video here. That's pretty much it. I'm almost home. But it's pretty cold, a little bit windy at times, and that's what I love. I love it when it's a challenge. I love it when it's not normal. I love it to be doing something harder than what I know. I love pushing myself. I love having adventures, and I can have an adventure running from home from work. That's a great thing. So thank you for following me along on my adventure. Be sure to subscribe, and I've got another announcement coming up on Wednesday about that adventure thing, and can't think of anything else to say, so thank you very much. Bye.